Hi, welcome back to the Geterbrewed channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing video looking at a new product. So this is from Brouwland. Brouwland are a large scale homebrew distributor in Belgium, and we're their Irish and UK distributor. So they've asked us to launch the Transfermer for them. So it's a stainless steel fermentation vessel. So I haven't seen one other than the literature that's come through via email. So it's always nice to get to open the box and check out what we're working with. So I'm just going to cut this open. So a lot of people would say, you know, why stainless steel fermenter over plastic? Well, the main thing for me would be that it's easier to clean. You know, you don't run the risk of scratching the plastic and then a microbe being picked up. So stainless steel, just generally easier to clean. You can see here there's good instructions with it. We'll lift the product out. Look, so stainless steel fermentation vessel. It's got a lid with a silicone ring around there to create a good seal, and obviously the lid then is going to be attached on with the use of the clips. It's going to be a 3-part airlock and silicone bung. What do we see that's unique with this? So, well, I suppose the handles have got that nice silicone coating for, you know, ease of use and stability. If you look inside, the first thing that catches my eye is that it's a domed or coned bottom on that, which is going to be good for allowing the yeast or any trub to settle into the cone to allow you to draw off the tap. You can see also that it's got the measurements embossed inside for the literage. It's got that in litres and gallons. You can see that it's a 1/2 inch stainless steel tap ball valve. Just simple, straightforward. And all in all, like, it's robust, it's strong, good thickness of stainless steel. You pop the lid on, pop the clips up. In relation to weight, you know, it's not light, it's not thin stainless by any stretch of the imagination. Seems relatively well put together. So we'll just pop those clips on. So the clips are on nice and tight all the way around. 3-piece bubbler airlock with a silicone bung on it. You can see here the graduation markers are embossed in both litres and gallons, and if we just pop that off, you can see there's the cone where the sediment would gather in the bottom of it. 1/2 inch tap on the front of it. There's not a lot I can say about this other than I'm impressed with the build quality and the finish. If you can see that it's been grained well with the stainless steel. There's no imperfections on it. There's a QR code scanner to bring up the instructions, but you get instructions with it. So the Transfermer, it's stainless steel. Build quality is great. It's going to be easy to maintain, easy to clean. It's got the nice silicone seal on it there. All in all, I think this looks like a cracking piece of kit. And when you're going towards stainless steel at the price point that this is at, it's incredible value, and it's almost like setting up your own little microbrewery at home whenever you start to incorporate the stainless steel equipment. So we look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions or you want to tell us about your feedback or experience using the Transfermer, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks so much. Until next time, happy brewing.